Hey, here we are on a bit of a bike ride on a bike trail from Lowburn to Cromwell, from Pete and Deb's place, which is up over straight through there in the distance. So it's about 6 k's from there. I'm just biking into there's Pete's machine GT Timberline. Does the trick, but I'm heading over here to where the Cromwell River starts and around to Cromwell town, old town. Nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon, still an awesome day. Mountains in the background. Here we are at Old Cromwell, the start of the Cromwell River. The old buildings up there dating back to the 1870s. Pete's machine there. Got a Globe Hotel, blacksmith, post office. Cromwell Bakery. Wine and spirit store now, gallery. Giddy up! This cafe is pretty cool. Awesome.